Good morning, this is Manfred. We are now on our 10th tutorial, which is how to create option list from the data of table. So what we're gonna do now is that we will use these two data as our option list. So let's download this installer com_hosting.10. So I already downloaded this file and I already extracted it. So let's open this file on the administrator or the admin folder. Open the folder and on the controllers folder, copy the file and paste it on our controllers folder. So let's go to our models folder on the list. These two files, let's copy this and paste it on our models. Let's go to our views folder. Let's open or let's copy these two files, let these two folder and paste it on the views folder. And on our models folder, let's go back to our models folder. On the forms folder, under the models folder, open it and copy this list.xml and paste it on the forms folder under the models folder. So let's refresh the and so here's the list. So what we're gonna do now, let's delete this one first. What we're gonna do now is to show the two data's company and make it as an option list. So on our downloaded folder, copy this folder fields under the models folder and paste it on our models folder. So to check it, this function is to get the data from the database and make it as an option. So let's refresh this. So here's the two data from the company table. So create new list one. The email is required. So here's now the list. Can create also another one, which is hosting or it's called and so this is what. So let's try to edit it so it will not be the same. Here's the two data from the company. So we are done on our 10th tutorial, which is how to create option lists from the data of table. Thank you.